the same, all the same, all the same. Spend some money, do some shit for the fame.
So most of you came to see exactly what the numbers look like behind the YouTube studio. So without holding you any longer, let's get straight into it. Now I've tried everything, I mean absolutely everything to get onto YouTube. I've tried all types of channels and none of them seemed to work. The only channels that did really take off was this one, where I was posting comedy clips from my favorite clips I've been watching, and my passion for it was so good that every time I watched one, I used to be so full of joy and laughter that I thought, let me make a channel on it. Most of the videos I've been uploading, it is basically comedy, etc. I'm going to quickly take you through the analytics or the backstage of the YouTube so you can see just exactly how much money there can be made, and also the view count. I also want to cover important things that will make your channel grow faster, make your videos more clickable, and also most importantly drive more views and engagement to your channel. So in the first video, when I did do it, it was about 8 minutes, I think, just roughly over 8 minutes or so. I didn't ask at the beginning to like and comment in the comment section down below, but that is very important because YouTube, what they will do is they will see engagement on the video. So as a case study, if you will, take this 1 second to hit the like button and just comment any random thing that comes to your head. Not really random, but you get what I'm saying, just to increase the engagement so that I can show you the contrast between the first video and this video in terms of the performance based on what I'm saying. So a lot of YouTubers will beg people, hit the like button, smash the like button. It becomes a bit tedious, but at the end of the day, YouTube wants the engagement. They want people to be liking your videos. It's an indication that they're enjoying your videos, and the more likes you get and the more comments you get, the more YouTube will push out your video. Now, this is just the beginning of when I started. As you can see, it was very, very, very low. The view count is extremely low to a point where I almost gave up. And then all of a sudden, it just started picking up and picking up and picking up. Until then, it just went out of control to a point where I was very excited. I applied for the YouTube partnership program, and within 2 to 3 days, 48 hours, they approved me and I could start putting ads on my videos and start earning an income. Now, the way you earn an income is, I'm sure most of you know, is through the ads that are played on your videos before or during or at the end of the video once someone is watching them. You can also have other revenue sources, but I'll cover that in another video. I just want to show you basically what it looks like in the background of this YouTube channel. So as you can see, I've made about 10,000 Rand for this month. YouTube will only pay for May's salary in June and June's salary in July. So for those of you who have watched the first video, the most important thing for you to do now is to ensure that you're making content that people want to watch. Making sure that the content that you are putting out there is of somewhat quality, but you have to also understand when you start off like what I'm doing now with these videos, it's not the best of standards as you would see with other YouTubers. The background that you see is not a real background. It is just a green screen. I use it to put like a cooler background instead of using just the wall that I have behind me. You can literally just download these on Google. So the big question for many South African YouTubers is that, is it worth it to go through all that trouble to finally get monetized? And the straight answer is yes, because a lot of South Africans will not be able to earn this amount of income. And I know that in the next 2 to 3 months, I'll probably be somewhere double where I am now if I continue to upload every day. But instead of me just doing that, I think I would rather use this platform to educate more people that have talent, people that can showcase their talent and make a living off of that. So if there's anything you'd like to see in the next video, feel free to let me know in the comment sections down below. When you do comment and when you do like the video, that's what triggers the algorithm to push the video out even further. And hopefully if you found some value in this video, that you would possibly hit the like button and comment down below. If you are new around this channel, make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so that when I do upload another video, you will be the first to know. And also you'll be kept up to date with what is happening. So until the next time, guys, thanks again so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. I want to give a special shout out to Peep Out and Lwandile. You guys are really supportive of this channel and I really appreciate you. Peep Out, I'm not sure what your real name is, but you know who you are. Lwandile, guys, keep pushing, keep striving, keep at it, because you will get there eventually. And I think Peep Out did ask, how long does it take to get monetized? I did answer that question earlier. It's about 48 hours max. There are some tricks to it, so just send me an email. I'll leave my email down below and you can just ask me directly, and then I'll explain to you exactly how long it takes. And if you want me to look at your channel and tell you what I think, or to assist you, just leave your link to your channel down below and I'll have a look, and perhaps we can discuss on how you can improve your channel to make it more appealing for views and to make it more attractive to new viewers so that you can grow on YouTube.